Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Greeting fellas. Good afternoon or good night to you all. First, let us introduce ourselves. We are from the Mentari group in this class or course for community work practice in Taiwan. The name of the group is Mentari Group, which consists and the team are, the first is myself, Hasan Ibnu Salam, and then Muhammad Lukman Effendi, Muhammad Ghazali, Rizky Adi Kurniawan, and IC Ikrim Amanati. Okay, we are taking the community in our place, that is Muhammadiyah COVID-19 Command Center community. We will talk about the community organization and the development of the community itself. Okay, we jump into the next slide about the MCCC community, Muhammadiyah COVID-19 Command Center. So Muhammadiyah encourage the government to engage all parties to cooperate and synergize with open and comprehensive socialization and policy measure. We can say that Muhammadiyah is the first that respond to the pandemic, the coronavirus pandemic in Indonesia, beside the government. The government itself respond to the coronavirus, but also Muhammadiyah is one of them. Muhammadiyah Central Leadership has established the MCCC, which is tasked with coordinating the implementation of COVID-19 program and action. Okay, that all about the brief introduction about MCCC community. And then next slide, we talk about the history and local culture of the MCCC community. All Muhammadiyah movement are carried out with all the capabilities that exist by exerting all the power and authority that Muhammadiyah has and order. This community always apply healthy protocol, and yeah, because the MCC community is the community that run over the health issue in Indonesia. The next one is religious belief of the MCC community. According to the command taught in Islam, MCCC does his job helping fellow human being in need. So the MCCC is the community that we can talk is philanthropy, or not commercial and not for profit. They work for not profit. They do their job for helping human being that need. The next slide is we talk about local resource of the MCCC community. One of the local resource that MCCC have is the Lumbung Muhammadiyah. The Lumbung Muhammadiyah is abbreviated by Lumbungmu. Lumbung Muhammadiyah is prepared to establish public kitchen. Muhammadiyah relies on funding have the foundation that the name is Zakat and Amil Foundation, which abbreviated by Lazismu. They mobilize source of fund from the government and the community itself. Okay, the next slide. The local problem that the MCCC community had in their way. The local problem is difficult of inviting people to join as volunteer. Yeah, because people who respond to this pandemic or coronavirus, they must face the consequence and the problem that will be faced. They will sacrifice their time and energy to serve in Muhammadiyah COVID-19 Command Center. Okay. So we are moving on to the final report. This is new that the last presentation we present in the past few weeks. So the table is about work distribution inventory. So Hasan Ibnu Salam is the leader and speaker, as I do right now. And Muhammad Luqman Effendi is the first writer. Muhammad Ghazali is the second writer. Rizky Adi Kurniawan will be the first public relation, and also the IC Krimamanati, the second public relation. So we in this group we distribute the work and the job, the description job. Okay, the next slide. The project problem description. Okay, first the question number one is, what is the goal and vision of our plan? This is our plan that we take the MCCC community. The first number one is to invite Muhammadiyah people to volunteer at the MCCC community. And the second one is inviting local people to contribute to MCCC, especially the younger generation, so they can make a crowdfunding, or besides, if they cannot volunteer as the team member, they can contribute in giving the resource or the local support, like that. Question number two, what is the specific contribution of our plan to society? The answer is to creating invitation content on social media to attract Muhammadiyah members to join as MCCC volunteer. That is the main reason that that is the main plan that we will do in this project to answer this problem. The question number three is, what professional knowledge or skill does your plan apply to? We are in Muhammadiyah University in Yogyakarta. The major that we took and we are taking right now is the Islamic communication and broadcasting. So we can help and sharing with MCCC community. Okay, the next slide and a few slides. The next is the compilation of photos about MCCC community, about the documentation the MCCC community had done about their work. And the first photo is Care for Teacher. So they give donation to people that affected by this coronavirus. The teacher, Peduli Guru, the name of the, and the next one is, this is the picture of what is it? About food. They hang food in the street, so the people, they can take the food. Yeah, we know the because of the pandemic, corona pandemic, we have struggled in to eat and to make food. Daily donation for resident in economic difficulties. Okay, that is description. The next slide is this compilation and documentation about donation, distributing donation directly to the street traders. Okay. The next one is spraying disinfectant from the NCCC team. Yeah. So they can maintain the healthy environment and make a safer place. Okay, next slide. We talk about the learning and reflection. In this part, we will read the learning and reflection by ourselves. So please let me read first by myself. About my experience from this course, that I'm able to learn about social humaniora. It's also broaden my knowledge and open insight about community work practice in Taiwan. Besides, I can recognize other students from other university and also the great and cool lecturer. Therefore, I'm so grateful to have such experience. Yeah, Alhamdulillah. Praise be to Allah. And maybe our friend will talk about the learning and reflection, and please tell us about your learning and reflection. Lukman, it's yours. Okay, Lukman, please go ahead. What is the reflection and experience from the course?
Halo. Check.
Yes.
Okay, we can hear you.
I'm happy to join this virtual exchange program. I got a lot of knowledge and additional relationships. One of the science that I remember is the idea of decorating a slum area into an area of artistic value. There, as items are used to decorate gardens, roadsides, and painted walls. I hope to visit that area, and of course, I hope to visit Asia University. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Lukman. Next is Ghazali. Please go ahead and tell your experience.
Do you hear me?
Yes. Loud and clear.
Okay. I will read my learning and reflection. As long as I participate in virtual exchange, I feel very happy to be able to meet other friends from different universities, even though they are still in the same country. But my expectation is that when I participate in this virtual exchange, I will meet friends from other countries, but only from Indonesia. But I am grateful can meet them. And also I feel happy and broaden my knowledge of English. In the future, maybe while explaining, please include the translation because the accent between Indonesian English and Taiwan English is different. Overall, I am happy to take part in virtual exchange. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. The next, Rizky Adi Kurniawan, please go.
Okay, thank you for this time. First thing, I like this experience when I can watch and learn how about the community in Taiwan, especially. In this course, I can learn little things about Taiwan's culture, language, and accent. Another thing, I can learn English language and the special accent. I think this is the first time I listen the accent of Taiwan. Hopefully COVID-19 will be end and we can meet face to face maybe in Taiwan University or in Taiwan, and we can learn together there. Thank you.
Amin. Thank you. And last but not least, Aisyah Ikrimah Amanati, please tell us about your experience and reflection.
Okay,
Go ahead.
thank you for the time. I'm so interested about this virtual exchange, especially the material. I don't even know much about the community in Indonesia, but because this course, I know some community in Taiwan. It's feel lucky for me. From this course, it's improved my English skill, especially listening with the class full using English language. And then in MCCC, we learned that if we want to share or help other people, we don't need to expect too much. It's for me.
Oh.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that is the last, and about we run to the bottom of this presentation of this PowerPoint. So we hope that thank you guys for listening to and contributing in this class and read and hear our presentation. Yes, we hope that coronavirus is get away from our country and we can learn together. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay, we can say goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.